Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Alerts. Today we're taking a look at one of the most anticipated cars of 2025, the Subaru WRX STI. Subaru has always been synonymous with rally-inspired performance, and this new WRX STI takes it to a whole new level. We'll dive into the exterior, check out the interior, go over performance specs, and of course, see if this new STI lives up to the hype. So, let's get started. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. Subaru has done a fantastic job combining its signature rally look with a modern twist. Up front, we have these sleek LED headlights that wrap around, paired with a new aggressive grille. The whole front end just screams performance. You also get the classic hood scoop, functional as ever, channeling air directly into the engine for that extra power. Moving to the side, the sculpted lines give the STI a wider, meaner stance. The wheel arches are flared just enough to house the 19-inch forged aluminum wheels standard on this year's model. And check out that rear wing. Subaru didn't hold back with this one. It's larger than previous versions, improving downforce and stability at high speeds. Interior. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is the premium feel Subaru has aimed for in this new STI. The seats are Recaro sport seats with an Alcantara finish, giving you both comfort and support in those tight corners. They're heated and even come with memory settings now. And look at the dash. There's a massive 1.6-inch touchscreen that controls all your media, navigation, and car settings. Plus, it's paired with a 12-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, so connectivity's a breeze. Performance. Now, the heart of any WRX STI is its engine. Under the hood, the 2025 model packs a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, pushing out an impressive 400 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque. Yes, you heard that right, 400 horsepower in a WRX STI. Subaru has really pushed the envelope this time. The design inside the cabin is both driver-focused and sporty. The flat-bottom steering wheel has been redesigned with red stitching and STI badging, giving it that rally feel. The shift knob and pedals are made of aluminum, adding a bit of flair and reminding you of the performance roots every time you get behind the wheel. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Subaru WRX STI starts at around $45,000. That might sound steep, but when you consider the performance, the features, and the fact that it's a modern-day rally car for the road, it's actually a pretty compelling deal. Of course, with added options like the carbon fiber roof, you're looking at closer to $50,000. So, is the 2025 Subaru WRX STI worth it? Absolutely. Subaru has managed to keep the heart of the STI intact, while giving it modern upgrades that make it safer, faster, and more fun to drive. Whether you're an enthusiast looking to feel every corner or someone who wants a sporty daily driver, the WRX STI has got you covered. Thanks for watching Car Alerts, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.